Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we're going to go up through one of the alleyways and show you a few things you may not know are there. A few good restaurants. And the one that tucks away a bit. So we're going to walk up here now. Victoria bar on the corner of town. Victoria's pizzas, pancakes. A lot of the bars have changed all the tables now. Now they've changed the tables because they used to have the menu on the table. The view down through town there. Right, this is the alleyway we're going to go up. Pizza place just there. I don't know if that's open at the moment. There's an Indian coming up. I think they moved from next door into this one. Some idea what they do. Hopefully we'll be able to pick some out. $9.95 or 3 courses it, or maybe 4. I don't know. There we go. So I think they were the ones that were next door. They moved into the premises now. They've been redone out. Okay. There's the ornament shop. I know there's another name for it, but I can't think. All the butters down the bottom there. If you want a butter, that's where to go. Just passing the toy shop there, the Lego shop. Going on up now. A clothes shop there, ladies' clothes shop. What they're doing, ladies and men's, by the looks of it. Okay, there's a cafe up on the corner. So it was done out. I don't know, it was just before lockdown or just after lockdown. Very popular with the residents, the locals. Used to usually be packed, this one. And I've done it all out now. It does look a bit posh now. Actually trying to find the name of it now. And I'll walk around see if we can find it. Of course it wouldn't be up the alleyway, would it? It'd be on the front. I've forgotten all about that. Okay guys, if you'd like and subscribe, and if you'd like to make a donation to the channel, keep the channel going, PayPal links below. We'll see if we can find the name of the shop now, on the bar. There you go guys. Looks very nice inside now. Done a good job on it. Okay, we'll have a walk down back towards the Four Seasons restaurant now. There it is, we'll look at that in a minute. I'll show you there's a little shop, supermarket shop there. It's a bit out of the way to get a lot of trade, but restaurant. Supposed to be very nice in there. I haven't actually been in for food. People tell me the food is very nice in there. A bit of a look at the menu. Looks like you get about 4 courses there. So I'm going to carry on up the alleyway a bit. I think we're going to do some cut throughs here. Let's see if we can get where we go. That guys, that art or graffiti. Let me know what you think. Some great old buildings as you go through. One for sale there. Well, worth having a walk up through these alleyways. You never know what you're going to find up here. Hotel there. The Irish Hotel, I think. It'll be a nice quiet hotel. I'm going to walk out now towards the way back down to town. There's the bar there. All those bars in the corners. That does get quite busy at night. Fortunately, they're still at 6 o'clock at the moment as they close up. Can't wait for it to get back to normal. Okay guys, like and subscribe as normal. If you want to make a donation,